Hello everyone, now I'm going to explanation of chapter 6 useful plant. Plants are really important for the planet and for all living things. Plants absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen from their leaves, which human and other animals need to breathe. Living things need plant to live. They eat them and they live in them. Plants help to clean air and water also. Plants give us food, fruit, vegetables, cereal, pulses, oil, spices, tea and coffee, wood, rubber, etc. Student, we are watching this picture. Identify this fruit and vegetable from their picture. Write the correct number in the circle one has done for you. Okay, student? Now next topic is food from plants. Plants are source of wide variety of nutrients required to keep the human body in perfect working condition. All food comes from plants, even the animals depend on plants. Plants provide us with vegetable, coffee, cereal, pulses, fruits, sugar, spice, oil, etc. We eat the root, stem, leaves, fruit and flower of many plants. Roots. Radish, carrot, beet root are some of the roots that are eaten as vegetable. Now second is stem. Potato and ginger are the stem that are eaten as vegetable. Flower. Broccoli and cauliflower are the flower eaten the form of vegetable. Stem. Spinach and cabbage are the leaves eaten the form of vegetable. We get variety of fruits and vegetables from plants. Vegetables constitute an important part of the daily diet. The vegetables are very important because they contain minerals, salt and vitamin. Now next topic is plants give us cereal, pulses and oil. All cereals are rich in carbohydrate, protein and vitamin A, B, C. They are cultivated as annual crops: rice, wheat, maize, jowar and bajra, etc. Pulses. Pulses. The seed of some plants are used as food. These seeds are known as pulses and they contain proteins in large amount in addition to carbohydrate and vitamin. Oil. We get oils which are used as cooking media from plants. Oils are changed into fat in our bodies. Groundnut oil, mustard oil, sunflower oil, etc. We get We get tea, coffee and spices from plant. We make tea with a tea leaves. We make coffee with a coffee beans. We get spice like turmeric, pepper, olives from plants. Coffee leaf is an herbal tea prepared from the leaves of the coffee plant. We get spice like cumin, black pepper and cloves from the plants. Okay, student.